This video I will show you how you can recover and read the deleted WhatsApp messages. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. I'll be using the two mobile. I'll send the message from one to another. First I'm going to send a message from one mobile to another Android mobile. Now you see that this message has been received. Hello over here. I'm going to delete this message. And I'm going to delete this for everyone. And as you can see that on my second mobile also the message has been deleted. If you want to recover and read these deleted messages, then you need to install this app with the name Notice Save. I've already installed it. Open this app and allow the notifications, and then you can just exit the app and go back to your WhatsApp. Okay, now I'm going to again send a message. Okay, I've sent this message. It has been received on the other end, and I'm going to now delete this message. And let's see now, the message has been deleted here. Let's see the note has saved or not. You can see that this message 1 has been saved with the notification that this message was deleted. So that's how you can recover and read the deleted WhatsApp messages with the help of this Notice Save app. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.